President Museveni agambire Eby'Obwegyese ali mukoro ogw'okutongozaho Bugisu Zone Presidential Industrial Hub eri kushanga mu kyalo kya Rukonge omugombora ya Rukonge mu district ya Mbale.
On the issue of human capital development, educating people, the Nyankare will be okugunjura abantu, okugunjura, to enlighten people.
Ari huwa babandu washikanikile muri Nyankore nekimanyisa huwa babandu kama chesini humanya.
We have two channels, education and health.
Ari huli ni bibindu bibiri byebulekeli ni byebujanjabi.
President ayiburize ahabwencha abashomesa omu mashomero government eri kushajika bari kushaba abana fees ngo kandi obo government eri kuhereza emishara otireho na nebitabo ahire cyo kureberaho echa bukedi aho ebyeka kinana aharigana ebyabana abari kushoma bona barugiro mu mashomero ahabo kugira ngo bakabashabiro kugira ngo bashashure fees omu mashomero ago government eri kutamu buyambi.
Ari mu byawandikwa byeni ari mu manifesto ya 1996
we proposed UPE.
Ari kwa mahuri kubeni bona basome mu primary
basomere bwerere mu primary
bose basome busa mu primary nge basasola kama pesi tawe,
and we put money for UPE
waramo kama pesi ku support ngo bakuwagira babana befe bali mu primary kusoma busa mu Uganda,
but later on we added USE.
Chisera yongera mu 2007 wakataho US wakataho basiniana.
People still charge money in the government schools.
And the show huyanga urutya mu masomero ka primary ni kasinia babakarangira basasusa kama pesi.
So all
ari basasusa kama pesi ate kama somero kano ka government.
President bitu hayorikiro kushemererwa ahabo kugira ngo banyime emyezi mukaga abana abari kutendekerwa omu industrial hub babaze kugira ekibayeganyira ahabo kugira ngo baribwa omu matendekeraga bine obukugu. Agizire ngo bwahati ahabwa presidential skilling program bwanyuma yakire kache okureta enkito mu ihanga eshaho emyeko hamwe na nebindi bintu omu Uganda nikija kuba chayemerezibwa.
So I'm very happy that this is the resistance movement in the bush.
aliwe lisanywari bili kukoleka hano ari nibyo byesi president ali mu bush kusolanisi abonari babana befe basoma busa mutihabutsi bafuna skills.
But also the resistance here is also clarifying another issue which the other boy, the one who left university, was talking about.
Banyuma yo kweza kurambara ebintu byabeje bakozire ahamwe no kurira ebigambo ebirugire ombeji abarimo mugaya Francis Mayafu Abdurrahim ahamwe na Nanono Hana bamwe ombana ababasize kutendekwa. President buli omwe amuherize sente zikwingana miliyoni 10 nke sente ezentandikwa. President agarukire yahiga abaherize kutendekwa okwetandikira heavy na hebyabikoguze okugira ngo government ebase kureba ko yabatera mu sente ezo kubayamba.
Ari hana ni hise kusoma kusomesa hwabusa ari babandu babone kusomesa hwabusa abantu babone.
There are 18 of them.
Yes, there are 18 exams.
That's not a lot of money because if there are 10, that's 9 billion. If there are 20, there would be 18 billion. But now they are, so it's not a lot of money.
Abana ababasize kuganyuraho mu project eji basimire president abo kubahereza entandikwa okugira ngo batendekerwe busha otireho no kugira ngo bwahati babasize kuhindura hantekateka yabo kandi baba abanya-Uganda barungi. Waniara Philip ori kwebembera habeji azire ngo bwahatabu ine intexina kandi bwahati habeji abari karwenda 38 nibo batendekirwe ogu hayorekire hariho ogwayorekire ebintu ebiri kushomesibwa ebiri mu okubija kora amashoki okora enkito okuteka emigati okubazira okombeka ahamwe na nebindi.
Your Excellency, after some time, I said, I'm tired of working for people. I have to go back home and start up. Reaching home, I found my auntie with a machine, very old. I said, I'm going to start up with this very old machine. I bought a material of 20,000. Your Excellency, I started making clothing.